Hi and welcome. Today I will take you through a reading passage. It's an unseen passage, but I'll take you through the reading process and how it is to be interpreted by the students. The passage is about Albert Einstein, and the lexile range of the text is about 610 lexile, and it lies between 800 lexile. Lexile is the numeric representation of the reading ability of the student, or the reading ability or the difficulty level of the text. It's the one that it's measured over here is the difficulty level of the text that is used over here. The difficulty level is interpreted through decoding vocabulary, sentence and pattern. Let me take you through the explanation of all. The decoding is definitely the more harder words will be present in the text. Vocabulary is that the newer words that will occur will have abstract meanings. The sentences will be longer, more complex, and the meaning of overlap words will be fewer. The pattern of the text of the repeated words will be such that harder words will be repeated or not repeated at all. Now let us take the students through the passage. Today's lesson is organized through guided, where the meanings will be shown, followed by an exercise where the students can pause the video and go through the exercise, get back to the text and attempt it. It will be followed by showing the answer key and finally a rubric for writing. Now let me take you through the text and I will be showing the meanings side by side. There are few difficult words or other words which we tend to ignore while reading. That is probably, creative and genius. Now let us look at these words. These words are definitely overlooked words which are ordinary words, but they tend to have certain abstract meanings underlying for our understanding. A newer word, theory, the way it is used, the meaning is definitely given over there. For theories, I'll highlight it for the students to know it. The students are requested to pause the video and read the meaning. Further down, two new words, compass, which is used as a noun, and invisible is used. The sentence that is highlighted is probably the longest sentence in the text, which sets the difficulty level of the passage. The meanings were highlighted and shown to the students. There are probably more words for the students to explore. Mass, basic, nuclear, adjective relating to the nucleus of an atom, nuclear chemistry, nuclear bomb, quantum, Condensate, it means to condense. Noun liquid collect, it is a noun form, that means liquid collected by condensation. Outstanding, the students are suggested to read the following books in order to allow their exile to grow. Now let us proceed to the exercise connected with this passage. The students may pause the video and attempt the exercises. The MCQ question relates to the passage. The text that relates to the passage. The meaning of the expanded form, the representation of E, M and C was listed. The students are expected to write about the discovery, about the theory of relativity, refer to the context, and then proceed to the meanings. The words are listed and the meanings are given. The students are expected to pause the video, look for the meaning and match it. At the first go, let's look at the words and then let's go back and look at the meanings. The students may record the meanings in their notebook. And now let us proceed to the writing part. The students may write an article related to the topic. The students may research, collect the points, do their pre-writing, drafting, reviewing, editing and then publishing. The final work should also include the research website from where they have taken the information. Now let us go to the answer key. The students may pause and self-assess their work. The students may continue the check the word. For example, for the first word, the answer is F, genius. Let's go and check the definition of its mastermind or brilliant person. And let us proceed now to the rubric for writing. The rubric for the writing an article includes the title and name, supporting details or opinion, what, who, when, where and how. Why can also be included in it, lead sentence, spelling and grammar. When assessing, we look at the highest level for all the categories. The students may write and self-assess their work. Thank you.